Alexandria used to be a great city.
Yeah, and still really, this is the local market here. Very cheap one. Chinese product, Egyptian product, but used closest to.
Is there any Egyptian cotton bed sheets
Yeah, a lot.
for the bed?
Yes.
I want to buy.
In Cairo.
In Cairo, not here.
Yeah, here no.
For bed.
It's not cheap here because they bring it from Cairo. When we be in Cairo, you can buy from the downtown or
Al-Khalili?
near for Khalili.
Why Egyptian cotton is good?
It's a very good kind. That's a gift from Allah. Can't tell that.
Allah?
God, yeah. We always say Allah
Allah.
instead God.
Yeah. Allahu Akbar.
Yes, Allah, it means Allah. God is very great.
Can you say for someone is great? Like
Someone?
Alexander Akbar.
No, Alexander's agree. Yeah.
Don't say Alexander Akbar.
Yeah, no.
It's only for God.
For God only, yes. Need to go from here really.
But
It will
it's
be
the
better.
same meaning though. Akbar, it's Arabic.
It's Arabic, yeah, but it's only for Allah. Even the prince, the king, never use it.
Even
Never.
in
never.
Iran, they use Akbar. No, or no?
No.
Because they speak Farsi.
Yes, but they can't.
They don't say
yeah,
Allahu Akbar.
Yeah, they say Allah Akbar, and they read the Quran in Arabic.
Arabic.
Yeah. But they don't call themselves Akbar, no.
No,
In India they call themselves Akbar.
Who? People?
People, yeah.
Not even.
Because
Means-
it's in a different language. It just,
means something else.
yeah.
It means something else.
Akbar Anthony, it's a great movie for Amitabh Bachchan. If you know Amitabh Bachchan, it's a great actor in India. Very old one.
I don't know.
Okay, I don't like the topic.
Are there any Christian Orthodox here?
It's all Orthodox. The major is Orthodox.
Muslim Orthodox, you mean?
No, the Christian Orthodox. This is the main region for the Christian people.
Oh, okay. Alexandria.
Yeah, in all Egypt. Very few Catholic, very few Protestant.
Because it used to be Greek.
Yes.
Greek is here. Alexandria used to be
A
Greek.
lot of Greek, a lot of Cyprus, a lot of even Italy. I don't like this.
They always go like this.
Very stupid way.
Nobody cares if the car is broken, right?
Yeah.
Scratched.
Yes.
Nobody fixes, right?
No, if you
have
like
like
your
a-
car, you will go to fix it. You don't like any scratch on your car, but
This one
someone,
doesn't have scratch.
yeah.
It's weird. It's tourist, that's why. No. Your car has scratches
Yeah, I go to fix it 2 times.
per month?
No?
Before.
Yes. But I make something to protect it. I have a movie, it's a sticker
Okay.
to protect the car.
Because everybody's like going.
Yeah, it's a very stupid way. The bad thing in all of Egypt is the traffic. The people don't even like to learn. No. They drive as they can. Whenever they like to go right, they will go right with no sign. They will not even look. This is the main market for the
Chickens.
chicken and rabbit and because here we eat rabbit.
Oh, look how many people here.
Yes.